Now I'm going to introduce a very powerful AI integrated, artificial intelligence integrated platform, or we can say it is a tool specifically designed for the teachers. As you know, the teachers every day, specifically at the end of week, they have a heavy task for checking homework, grading the assignment, and specifically during the examination time. So they have to evaluate a lot of papers. And this platform, which is fully integrated with AI, can support the teachers to do their work very quickly and in a precise order. And this platform, it is not only helping the teachers for grading the assignments, what you call exam papers. Besides that, this platform will give a specific personalized comment for every students for each question. So that is why it is very interesting and very good platform that I'm going to show you now here. And this platform is highly effective for both teachers and for the schools also. If the schools they are interested, they can also use this one. So now in order to go to this platform, you can use any web page. For example, if you're using Google, you can go to the Google page, and there you can write Knowable Education. So okay, if you write this one, then if you enter, then you will come to this page and you can click the first link. If you click on the first link, then you will be navigated to the main dashboard of Knowable Education. And this platform, the name is Knowable Education. So this is the main dashboard, and if you see the right hand corner, you have two options: login or sign up. So if you are going for the first time, you can go for sign up. So in the sign up section, you will find two options. You can select either as a teacher or a student. If you are as a teacher, then first you have to sign up with teachers, then you will fill with all the necessary data, then you will get. And the same thing, the students also, they will fix as a student, then they will fill all the necessary data, then they will go to the main sign-in page. So once you have successfully logged in, then you will come to the main dashboard of this Knowable Education. So in this main dashboard, you will find all this dashboard, class, assignment, request, and new assignment. So when you are going to create a new classroom, or if you want any student will join in your classroom, for example, I want to take you to the classroom, and we can select any class. So in the class, you can see we have an assignment, members, analytics, and settings. So in the member section, you will find one join code, and that code can be shared with the students to join in the class, right? So then we can go to set the assignment. How to set the assignment? I will take you to the assignment section. So these are the assignment I have already fixed here. And if you wanted a new assignment, we can go to the new assignment, right? So in the new assignment, we can go there, build assignment. Yes, here the main role starts. So you can find here, either you have to upload the question paper or you have to upload the sample marking scheme. So now we have options. So you have to design, for example, the name of the test and what the subject. For example, if you click on the subject, you will find out the subjects, whether it is physics, chemistry, or what are the subject. You can find out physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. You will find basically 4 subjects here, STEM subjects. Then you can upload the question paper, and sometimes either you can upload the question paper or you can use the inbuilt tools to design the question paper for a specific subject and for a specific chapter. And you can either upload the marking scheme, or since it is AI integrated, so then AI can also generate marking scheme as per the requirement. And I want to show you how the assignment appears here. If I take you to the assignment now, and I want to show one assignment, for example, recently I did one sample assignment. So if I click here, you can see one student, what they have written the answers, and you can see the score. And if I take you down, okay, I can go to the down, you can see here, view all the answers. Okay, now I can take you to the question paper, and this is the answer written by the student. So they have written the answer here, and this is the question paper, and the individual personalized comments are written here, and how much mark is awarded with the comments, it is written here. So this is a very good platform. All the teachers and the schools, they can use. So these are the assignments what we have designed. For example, this is subject physics, and these are the assignments what we have designed. So next, if I go to the next page, And when the students submit their assignment, they can see the assignment is uploaded. This is the students dashboard, they can see like this. Okay, and you can see here, I want to show you one sample answer here. You can see one question here. So state the formula to calculate the density. So the density is equal to mass per volume, but the student has written mass per force. So then you can see what the comment AI has written. The correct formula is density is equal to mass per volume, but you have written, so that is why 0 mark out of 1 it is given there. And similarly, if you come to this question, the question is here and the answer is written here. And you can see what is the comment written here. And this here also, the student is awarded 4 out of 5 and the comment is also written here. So this is a very good platform and it will make the teachers work very easy, and you can use this one. And it is, if you want any customization, that also can be customized. And again, I want to show you to the next page, and you can see all the data, all the analysis you can see here. For example, what is the average score, what is the highest score, what is the lowest score, everything you can find in your classroom. Okay, and there are some places, for example, this is a specific question. In the question, the average score is 3 out of 4 and highest, okay, I think the number of 2 students only got highest mark, and the lowest mark is 0. How many students they got 0, that also will be given here. And how many students did mistake, and all these things, the complete data, complete analysis you will find in the exam, what you have conducted, exam or assignment or homework. Means it is a very friendly platform. And this is completely analysis. Once you go through the, what do you call, platform, if you create, and it is completely free, no chargeable, no, it is free of cost. So you can use this one. And if you face any difficulties, you can communicate with me, and I want to show you. So here you can see, for example, in the question definition. So 91% students, that is the given one, what you call, analysis. How many students they have written the definition very clearly. How many students, what is the percentage of calculation, and what is the percentage of explanation, and what is the hard topic, easy topic, everything you will find here. Means it is well designed. So this platform, again, I want you to, yeah, and this is what the entire students, those who are in the class, you will find the list and what is their average score and how many marks they got. And this is one line, what is their predicted, means how much score they can, the predicted score. So that also well structured here, right? So this is a very good platform you can use. You can log in this one, you can sign up and log in, and you can use. If you find any difficulties, you can communicate with me. And I want to show you the people, those who are, yeah. So these are the computer engineer. So Mr. Dylan, Mr. Jonas, and Mr. Josie, and Mr. Jordan, they have designed this website, and it is completely free of cost, and you can use. And Mr. Dylan is from Cambridge University, and Mr. Jonas, the complete biodata is written here. You can find out and you can communicate with them. And still, if you find any difficulties, you can ask me. Definitely, I will support you. So this much for today, and in the next session, I will bring so many new artificial intelligence integrated tools and platform for you. And for the next 2 years, most of the schools, most of the education sectors, they will have integrated with AI supporting platform, because this is the generation of AI. So now it is our duties and responsibilities to learn the new things related to AI. So thank you very much.